Why are Mayan glyphs on ancient monuments disappearing? Imagine walking through a jungle and stumbling upon ancient stone carvings that tell stories from thousands of years ago. Now picture those stories fading away little by little. That's what is happening to the Mayan glyphs on old monuments. These glyphs are carved symbols that representing words, dates, and ideas from the Mayan civilization. They are like a language written in stone, giving us clues about their history and culture. But many of these carvings are vanishing, and understanding why is quite fascinating. The main reason these glyphs are disappearing is because of natural weathering. The stones where they are carved are exposed to rain, wind, and changing temperatures. Over hundreds of years, these elements slowly wear down the carvings. The tropical climate of the Yucatán Peninsula and parts of Guatemala makes this process faster because of high humidity and frequent rain. Moss, lichen, and other plants grow on the stones, which can also cause damage by trapping moisture and breaking down the carvings. Another big factor is the history of the Maya civilization itself. Around the 9th century AD, many Maya cities were abandoned during a period called the Classic Maya Collapse. This was caused by drought, warfare, and overpopulation. Once these cities were left behind, no one maintained or protected the monuments. Without care, the carvings became more vulnerable to the environment and decay. Human actions have also played a role in the loss of glyphs. Over the centuries, people have looted sites, breaking or removing stones. Some stones were taken for building new structures or sold as souvenirs. Early explorers and colonizers sometimes damaged the monuments unintentionally by chipping away pieces or defacing the carvings. These actions made the glyphs even harder to see and understand today. From a Latin culture point of view, losing these glyphs means losing part of the shared history of the indigenous peoples of Latin America. These symbols are not just ancient art. They are records of Mayan kings, gods, and stories that connect modern Latin American communities to their roots. Preserving these glyphs helps keep that connection alive and honors the legacy of the Mayan civilization. In the end, the fading of Mayan glyphs is caused by a mix of natural wear, the abandonment of ancient cities, and human impact. Protecting these symbols is important because they are a window into the past and a vital part of Latin American history. By working to preserve them, we help keep the stories of the Mayan people alive for future generations to learn from and appreciate.